Picture this. Every twinkle in the night sky is a conscious entity, whispering the secrets of the universe into the cosmic void. What if stars were sentient beings? Imagine the night buzzing with the chatter of a billion minds, their light carrying not just energy but thoughts, questions, and wisdom older than time itself. As humans, we often gaze at the stars, feeling small under the vast, silent canopy of the sky. But what if those stars weren't silent at all? What if they were watchers, sentient guardians observing us across the cosmic ocean, each with a story to tell? Imagine Sirius, the dog star, not just the brightest light in the sky, but a complex mind that has witnessed eons passing, civilizations rising and falling. Would it regard humanity as a reflection of its own infancy, or as curious creatures trapped in the confines of their own tiny world? And the grand constellation of Orion, a celestial hunter, teeming with entities, communicating through arcs of light across unfathomable distances. Therefore, to them, the battles of gods and heroes would seem trivial, a distant echo of their own cosmic struggles, played out in realms we can barely conceive. Now consider the implications. For centuries, humans have tried to interpret the stars, weaving myths and constellations from their patterns. But if stars are sentient, what myths do they tell about us? What stories do they whisper amongst themselves of our brief glimmer in history's vast tapestry? So imagine the sun, Sol, a wise elder among sentient stars, whose light fosters life and whispers forgotten knowledge. But what if, one day, Sol started to communicate with us in unmistakable ways? How would that change our understanding of life, of existence, of our place in a universe that is far more alive than we ever imagined? And here's the twist. Our planet, a blue dot cradled in the sun's embrace, not only babbles its own life story into the cosmos, but is also a listener. What if Earth, in some distant future, learns the language of the stars? But imagine then that not all stars shine with benevolence. Some, perhaps fueled by the energy of ancient supernovas, harbor dark secrets or malevolent intent. In the distant heavens, what if they debated, some desiring to nurture young civilizations, others to extinguish them before they pose a threat? The balance of cosmic order teetering on the brink, just as we humans balance intentions on a precarious edge. So, a single, blinking star, a sentinel of forgotten realms, radiates warnings across the vast reaches of space. We decode its cryptic messages, overwhelmed with the weight of knowing that our actions are not just terrestrial concerns, but that they're witnessed, recorded, and judged by minds ablaze in distant galaxies. And now, for a shocking revelation. What if, throughout human history, the stars have always been attempting to guide us, but our ears remain deaf to their luminous counsel? Time and again, when humanity stands on the brink of oblivion, the twinkling constellations subtly shift in a celestial dance, trying to steer our fate. As ancient astronomers once believed the heavens dictated events on Earth, the notion that stars might offer guidance becomes less an astronomical superstition and more a compelling possibility. Yet, what if the stars' patience wears thin? What warnings lay unheeded, lost in the cacophony of our technological lives? For if stars are sentient, we are not the makers of our destiny entirely alone, but participants in a grander dialogue. The Earth itself, a cosmic interloper, tasked with relaying whispers from its stellar brethren. So consider, under the vast dome of night, our place in this celestial web, becomes as precious as a single sparkling gem in the grand crown of the cosmos. Far from being alone in the cold expanse, we might find ourselves part of a vibrant society of star-born minds. But will we, in time, answer their silent call? In this luminous dance of sentient light, will humanity rise to illuminate and understand? Or will the whispers of the cosmos remain forever an enigma? So, as you look up tonight, let this question linger with you. If stars could speak, what would they say? And crucially, would we listen?